To make the best gravy to go with your festive dinner or any kind of roasted dinner, but this is a festive one, what you're going to do is you're going to need some flour, but you're going to need some sort of stock and ideally the meat juices. And we boiled the gammon, so we're going to use the meat juices from there as our base. Now you put that into a pan cold, add the flour. With this one we added 2 to 3 tablespoons. You're looking at about a tablespoon per 125 mils of stock. So yeah, 3 to 4, and that will be a good sort of base for gravy. Then you cook that flour out by mixing it into those meat juices at a low heat. Keep on whisking it until it's cooked out. Then slowly start adding your stock. But with this one, we've got a bit of a twist on it because we're using cider, because we wanted a cider gravy. So just think about that, 125 mils of cider per tablespoon. So you're looking at a pint of cider. Then thicken that up, add in your gravy browning. Don't forget to taste it, season it, salt, pepper, things like that, as well as adding in those juices. Look at the thickness. You want it to coat the back of a spoon. When you've got it at that consistency and the right colour and tastes good, bang, you've got the best gravy ever.